Hello, I'm Sean McCall, the Director of Marketing here at Deringer-Ney. In today's episode, we will discuss the manual assembly capabilities of our Nogales, Mexico facility. Conveniently located just an hour from Tucson, Arizona, our facility in Nogales, Mexico can provide several different assembly services that provide great value to our customers. Starting with contacts that we produce in this facility as well as our other facilities in Bloomfield, Connecticut and Marshall, North Carolina, our Nogales, Mexico factory can integrate these parts into subassemblies that can streamline our customers' production process. Working under an ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 certified quality system, our factory can employ a number of different processes to create these assemblies, including the use of adhesives, press fitting, soldering, and brazing. When appropriate, we can also design and employ custom automation to improve the efficiency of our assembly lines, as well as custom testing equipment to ensure the assemblies we produce meet our customers' requirements. We hope you've enjoyed this overview of our assembly capabilities and thank you for your interest. For more information, please visit our website at deringerNey.com.